Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare your broccoli in a delicious and fantastic way. Let's get started. We need onion, scotch bonnet. I'll be using tofu. You can replace the tofu using meat. We'll be using tomato, and we need a lot of eggs. That's about 5 eggs. And this is the packet of the tofu that I sliced. So it's the smoked tofu. And this is the broccoli I'm going to be using. We need salt and soy sauce as seasoning. We're going to cut this broccoli into smaller florets. We just pieces the broccoli into smaller size. I'm going to be cutting them as they are, and it's because they would not cook faster when they are not too small. I'm going to use salt in boiling the broccoli, and we'll be boiling this for just 90 seconds, maximum of 2 minutes, because if you overboil broccoli it will be too soft, and when you've killed the texture of the broccoli it's no longer interesting to chew. So if you boil it for 90 seconds it will still be crunchy. So we'll bring it out from the hot water. We're going to season this tofu with this light soy sauce. We're going to add salt, and we're going to add adobo seasoning. I just remembered the last minute that I needed that. We're going to add 1 egg. The purpose of adding the egg is to coat the seasoning on the tofu. So we'll mix this together, and now we're going to start frying. We need a clean pot. You can use any type of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. We'll fry the onion slightly. And if you remember in my last video, I unboxed this new saucepan. So this is the first food I'm cooking in it. So when the onion has boiled for 2 minutes, we add the tomato. Let it also sear for like 3 minutes. So you can see it's looking soft. Going to add some chili. So I'm using the scotch bonnet. I always like to add chili to my food. So I'm just slicing some. So we'll add the seasoned tofu. Allow this to cook together for like 2 minutes. Remember to mix your food if you don't want it to get burnt. If you are using non-stick pan, it's easier. Here I wanted to use my new cast iron pot. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to add the broccoli. You can see the broccoli looking very green. That's because I did not overcook my broccoli. So don't overcook your broccoli. Now we'll add the remaining 4 eggs. I've used 1 to season the tofu. So now I'm adding the remaining 4 to this pan. Adding salt. I added more adobo seasoning, and I will just mix this together. At this stage, we just want the egg that we added to coat the broccoli a little, and once it's cooked, we'll bring it out immediately. So you see, this takes about 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes to cook the egg completely. So you can see, this is the aroma coming out, especially you adding the soy sauce. It really brings out the flavor of the broccoli together with the egg and the tofu. And now this food is almost ready. Now it's time for us to eat our delicious broccoli. If you try this recipe, you will always add broccoli to your shopping basket. Thank you for watching today's video. Please subscribe and like this video, and check out my other video. Bye.